Oh my gosh, wait until you check out this home. Located in Chelmsford Heights, upscale neighborhood in Hunters Ridge, here in Ormond Beach, and it is a beautiful pink home on a large private lot with lots to see. Come take a look. Imagine spending your summers here, entertaining your family and friends at 19 Cambridge Trace here in Ormond Beach and Hunters Ridge. I'm Robin Tamler Hart with eXp Realty. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, give me a call at 386-679-5014. Thanks again for taking a look, and I'll see you at the next one.